The atmosphere is one of the most critical components for sustaining life on Earth. It is a complex mixture of gases that surrounds our planet, playing a pivotal role in protecting life and maintaining ecological balance. Composed primarily of nitrogen, 78%, and oxygen, 21%, with trace amounts of other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, and water vapor, the atmosphere serves multiple vital functions essential for life as we know it. First and foremost, the atmosphere acts as a protective shield against harmful solar radiation. The ozone layer, located in the stratosphere, absorbs the majority of the sun's ultraviolet, UV, radiation, preventing it from reaching the Earth's surface. Without this protective layer, life on Earth would be exposed to high levels of UV radiation, leading to increased risks of skin cancer, cataracts, and other health issues, as well as damaging ecosystems and disrupting the food chain. The atmosphere also plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and temperature. It acts as a blanket, trapping heat from the sun through the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor, absorb and re-radiate heat, keeping the planet warm enough to support life. This natural greenhouse effect ensures that the Earth's average temperature remains stable, allowing for the existence of liquid water and a habitable environment for diverse species. Additionally, the atmosphere is essential for the water cycle, which is vital for all living organisms. It enables the evaporation of water from oceans, lakes, and rivers, forming clouds that eventually precipitate as rain or snow. This continuous cycle distributes fresh water across the planet, replenishing water sources and supporting agriculture, ecosystems, and human activities. The atmosphere also helps regulate the distribution of heat and moisture, influencing weather patterns and seasonal changes. Moreover, the atmosphere supports the process of photosynthesis, which is fundamental for plant life. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and, using sunlight, convert it into oxygen and glucose through photosynthesis. This process not only produces the oxygen that we breathe but also forms the basis of the food chain, sustaining all living organisms. Without the atmosphere, photosynthesis would not be possible, and life on Earth would cease to exist. The atmosphere also facilitates communication and transportation. It carries sound waves, allowing us to hear and communicate with one another. Radio waves, which are crucial for communication technologies, travel through the atmosphere, enabling long-distance communication and broadcasting. Furthermore, the atmosphere supports aviation by providing the necessary lift and drag for aircraft to fly, making air travel possible. In addition to these vital functions, the atmosphere contributes to the aesthetic beauty of our planet. The scattering of sunlight by atmospheric particles creates the blue sky during the day and the myriad of colors during sunrise and sunset. The atmosphere also enables the formation of various weather phenomena, such as clouds, rainbows, and auroras, adding to the natural wonders of the Earth. However, the atmosphere is facing significant challenges due to human activities. Pollution from industrial processes, deforestation, and the burning of fossil fuels has led to increased concentrations of greenhouse gases, resulting in global warming and climate change. The depletion of the ozone layer due to chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and other pollutants has reduced its ability to protect us from harmful UV radiation. Air pollution has adverse effects on human health, causing respiratory diseases and other health problems. Protecting and preserving the atmosphere is crucial for the sustainability of life on Earth. Efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, mitigate climate change, and restore the ozone layer are essential to ensure the continued functioning of the atmosphere's vital roles. Promoting clean energy sources, reducing deforestation, and implementing policies to control air pollution are some of the steps that can help safeguard the atmosphere for future generations. In conclusion, the atmosphere is indispensable for life on Earth, serving as a protective shield, climate regulator, water cycle facilitator, and enabler of photosynthesis, communication, and transportation. Its preservation is essential for maintaining the ecological balance and ensuring a habitable environment for all living organisms. By understanding its importance and taking proactive measures to protect it, we can ensure a sustainable and thriving planet for generations to come.